we're going to be making chocolate fudge sprinkled sugar cookies. And by the way, my name is Leanne, and today I'm taking over Lena in the kitchen. Let's get started. For the ingredients, we already have our dough made, but if you want the recipe, you can go check out our previous video where Lena shows you how to make it. Next, we have a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, some sprinkles, a fourth of a cup of heavy cream and flour for the surface. We have a baking sheet with parchment paper, and we preheated our oven for 375 degrees. Let's go. We're going to start with our dough, and I've doubled up the previous recipe that Lena did. So we're going to work with our first half, and later on we'll work with the second. To start with, you're going to grab a piece of the dough and roll it into a ball, as you can see. Then you're going to take your sprinkles and you're going to cover the dough with the sprinkles until it's all covered up. Next, you're going to take it down on the sheet and you're going to take the back of the spoon and you're going to take the tip of it. You're going to press down the middle on all directions until it forms kind of like a plate. Let me show you how it looks. And I'm going to keep doing this and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Now our cookies are all pressed and done. Have a look. We're going to put these in the oven for about 8 to 9 minutes or until the edges of them turn into a light brown. And I'll see you when these are in the oven for the next step. So while our cookies are baking, we're going to make our chocolate ganache. I've heated up our cream in the microwave for about 40 seconds, and we're going to pour it onto our chocolate chips and stir it until it melts, and that's going to be our ganache. So let's pour this. Okay, I'm going to mix it. So this is my ganache after I've melted it. I did put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. If yours didn't melt right away, you can do that, but you have to check it every 10 seconds. Okay guys, I just took my cookies out of the oven and I left them in for 15 minutes. If your cookies come out and they're not pressed good, you can take a spoon and press it again and then let it cool down. So now I'm going to spoon the ganache in it, and then when you're done spooning them, you're going to let the ganache sit for about half an hour so that the ganache can harden. So I'm going to spoon it and get back to you guys when I'm done. So here are the cookies after they're done. They look really good. And please try my recipe. Tell me what you think in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can click here. If you want to watch our previous video, you can click here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.